You know, my name is Stephen Ogechi. I want to show you quickly the two ways of taking trades. Now we have the instant execution, which is also called your market execution. Instant execution simply means that you want to enter into the market immediately. Now, some phones call it instant execution, while some call it market execution. Whichever one it is, it actually means the same thing. Now, the first thing you do when you want to take a trade is to quickly go to the currency pairs, which is where we are. The first window where you have your up and down arrow, the blue up and down arrow down by your left hand side, is your pairs window. It shows you the different pairs that you have in case you want to take anyone to trade. Now let's go. Your pairs window shows you different pairs you can trade with. The view we are looking at right now is called a simple view. A simple view because the price, the current market price, is just plain. Whereas if you check, you see that you can change from advanced to from your simple to advanced view. Now this is how it looks when you talk about advanced view of your pair window. Why is it advanced? Because each pair consists of two currencies, two things you want to trade. One of them has a low spread, then the other one will have a higher spread. What does that mean? Spread simply means the amount of money they will charge you to use that pair to trade. Who charges you that? Your broker. That is where they make their small money from, so that they can be able to sustain their platform. Now me, I don't usually like to keep it this way, which is the advanced view. I like to always keep it simple, so that's why you have it like this. Now, having said that, suppose you want to take a trade, remember we are talking about instant execution or market execution. You just simply click on any of them that you want to trade. You see new order, which is where we take our order, our new trade, that is where we take it. New order. Open chart means you want to see the chart. You want to see the graphical representation of what the market is doing, whether it's coming down or going up. Symbol properties, I don't use it. Advanced view or simple view is what I just explained before now. But today, for the purpose of our class, we'll be looking at your new order. So we click on new order. It brings you to the parameter page. Now the parameter page shows you what your phone calls it. Now this my phone is calling it market execution, as you can see there. The market execution simply means that you can enter the market immediately without wasting time. How do you do that? First and foremost, you can adjust your lot size. Your lot size is the black one you are seeing right now, where my cursor is blinking. It is 0.05. Now there are two ways to adjust your lot size. Now if you look at the right hand side up, where you have 0.1 plus 0.1 blue, where you have 0.05 which is black, the extreme right is plus 0.1, the extreme left is minus 0.1. so if you click on one, it's your 0.05 will increase, then if you click on the other one, your 0.05 will reduce. Now let's try that. Now I'm going to click plus 0.1, which is by my extreme right of the 0.05. Now watch, as I click it, it changes. Can you see it's multiplying? That's the plus sign you are seeing. That's why you're having plus 0.1. Now if I go to the left hand side, which is minus 0.1, and I click it, that's your black 0.35 you are seeing there, which is your lot size, will reduce. So I'm going to click minus 0.1 now to adjust my lot size. I'll click on it, so it is reducing. So the minus side reduces your lot size, the positive side increases your lot size. Another way to adjust your lot size is by clicking on the 0.05, and it will be like you want to type something. So here you can click on this backward arrow. If you click on the backward arrow, it will automatically go to the first digit. Let's say I want to use 0.11. I'll just type 0, I'll type point, and I'll type 11. It changes. Supposing I want to say 0.01, you don't need to type 0.01. You just click on the back arrow and it changes to 0.01. Can you see that? Supposing I want to use 0.6, I'll start from the beginning and I type 0.06. Supposing I want to use 0.10, I'll change the 10 to 10. Supposing I want to say 0.02, I'll just quickly change 0.2. If you want to start from the beginning, you put the 0. If you're not starting from the beginning, you just change the last 2. Simple. That is how to adjust your lot size. Now, coming down to the left hand side, you see a red line. The red line there is actually indicating your stop loss. You click on it and you can either adjust it by clicking on the negative side, or you adjust it by clicking on the positive side and it will be increasing. For me, I don't do that. What do? I just go straight and type in what I want. For example, if I want to use 1.32311, I just type it from the beginning. Let's type that in again. First of all, I will make sure that there is nothing there, and I'll go to the extreme left and I'll type exactly what I want. Exactly what I want, I'll type it there. Now, the right hand side contains your take profit. Remember, stop loss is where you want your loss to get to and stop. So whether you are sleeping or whether you are awake, this left hand side, which is red, once the market gets to that particular place, if you are losing, it stops the trade and pushes you out energetically out of the market. What does that mean? It simply means stop my loss, my mumu don't do. This is what happens when you are in a trade. Whether you are sleeping, whether you are playing golf, whether you are swimming, it doesn't matter. The market will push you out the moment it gets to that particular level of loss, which is indicated in your stop loss. Your right hand side contains a green line. That is where you have your take profit, also known as TP. You can increase it by clicking on the plus side, or reducing it by clicking on the minus side. But usually I like to just click on it and make my adjustment. How do I make my adjustment? I take it to the extreme left, then type in whatever I want to type in. After typing this I want to type in, it stays there. Now, having done that, you can now click on either buy or sell. Remember, once you click on buy on a particular market, the market will automatically start immediately to buy or to sell, and by that you're already on your way to trading that particular market. Now, the second way we can actually trade a particular market is, for example, this particular window is USD CHF. As you can see, it's up USD CHF. Supposing I want to trade something else, all I need to do is go to my right hand side up where the dollar sign is, click on it, and it will bring all the other options, all the other ones that are available for me to trade. Once it does that, I'll just go there and choose what I want. I'll choose exactly what I want. Once I choose what I want, I click on it. Once I click on it, it comes up and I'll trade. Watch. For example, AUDNZD. Once I click on AUDNZD, the market automatically changes to AUNZD. So I'll make my changes, like my lot size, which is the black one, my stop loss, which is the left one that is red, the right one, which is your take profit. Then I'll click on buy or I'll click on sell, and the market will execute it immediately. Thank you very much for listening. My name is Steven Okechi. Remember, keep studying, keep making adjustments, keep learning. Rome was not built in a day. Keep practicing, you will succeed. Remember, I keep telling you, there's greatness in all of you. I celebrate you. Thank you for listening. God bless you.